Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Ex-Nurse Breaks Out of Rehab to Attack Police, Ends Terribly.
Behind your back! No. I'll fucking tease you right in your fucking face!
A former nurse escapes rehab and terrorizes a subway station, threatening anyone who wouldn't help her get more alcohol. When police show up, she takes things way too far and instantly regrets it.
What's going on? Come out here. Come out here right now. Come out here. Outside.
You've been wanting to make a scene, sir. I'm going outside.
What is going on? Quit walking away from me. $23.30, speed it up. You're fighting with me. Just stop! Put your hands behind your back!
No, you!
Put your hands...
You're right!
Fucking stop! Fucking stop!
You're a fucking rapist! I'm not resisting! I'm not resisting! I left!
Fucking put your hands behind your back!
I'm about to spit on you!
Put your hands...
Give me your hands. White people!
Turner! Go ahead! Move, I'm gonna take it. Move. No, she's fine.
Just want to make sure you're aware.
Gonna roll her this way. 20 feet to the point. Stop fucking moving. Drop me. 20 feet to the point. I'll fucking tease you right in your fucking face. All right? All right? You got her.
They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me.
20, we're all secure. Aren't you fucking listening, huh?
23 under 10-4, 23 20 10-4, stay here. 23 40.
Good. You're good. Take your time. Take your time. Good time. Take your time. It's all good. All right. You can grab my scissors. Yeah. You got anything on you, SMSF?
Pen, from pocket.
Stop moving. Don't even think about it. Not doing that.
I can't go to sleep now.
Shut up.
Bitch, you shut up. Somebody.
Thanks.
We all got God judgment day. Huh? What you want all day on park, right?
All right. Put it in my car. One more room. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah. You hold it for a second? Yeah. You ready? Yeah.
1383.
Is this all right?
It's right killing you.
1383, 1381, criminal damage to property. 7820 Madison. Caller proceeds that looking for next door. Fucking dead because of Saturday. 1383.
Maybe when we get to the stage.
1381.
Yeah, might as well. Are you going to be spitting? Spit out here already. I know. You spit out here? Yeah.
I don't fucking care. Tell me to back the car.
Knock it off. Stop. Here, I'll do it. Yeah. Nope.
She come on the back of the car right now.
All right. Yeah, sorry. Just trying to control the spit.
You're fine.
Put it on to there's one more right there.
Yeah. I couldn't hear you. What would I say on the radio?
We couldn't hear you.
I'm getting out.
It amazes me how you act a fool, and then when it's all said and done, now you start crying. Why are you crying? You brought this upon yourself. It really does not make any sense to me. Now, some people may say that the officer was out of pocket for the way that he was talking. You know, I'll tase you in the face and shut up, and all of that. And it's like, I could see where you may come from. But in my eyes, it's like, once you kind of got to go hands-on with somebody and they brought this upon themselves, it's like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? As long as you're not going way out of your bounds, you know what I'm saying? But come on. It's like, this didn't have to go down like this, but it's because they mental not right. That's why she took off like that. And she mentally is not, you know, she got a couple of screws loose, as they say.
I'm listening to the sound, and he's gonna sleep. That's all. I'm not answering no questions. Take me to court.
Well,
I'm on my lawyer. Fuck you.
You fire up that inquiry.
I don't want to say you got to say. Stop talking to me.
Over here. Nope, over here. You fire for an inquiry. You fire for an inquiry. So you can give us your name.
And you're still talking because I'm not doing anything. I don't f***ing care. Do what you gotta do and shut the f*** up talking to me.
Will you speak to me?
Will you shut the f*** up talking to me too? There you go. I'm still here. I just told you what I want. That bitch, I can't wait to see his ass again.
You can avoid all this.
No, I'm not avoiding shit because I'm coming after all of you guys. I don't have shit else to do but have time to take out who I want to take out.
What's your
Who
last
think
name?
they untouchable.
What's your last name?
Picasso told you how about you say it right. What the f*** you want to
Jane Doe.
Jane Doe, bitch. Ooh, I can't wait. Murder ain't never been on my mind today. That stash, ooh, I'm gonna get you real nice and stuff. But you gotta, ooh, you drop the keys, I'm getting out of jail soon.
Yeah, I think for birthday Anna Jane Doe is
Guess what? If you give me
0101
anyway, ha, fat neck, girl, you ain't got no neck no more. Too many hot dogs? You eat too much? No, I don't remember because you guys cover so much shit up.
Shut up.
All right, turn around.
No, I'm not gonna shut up because you're not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna turn around because I'm gonna sit my ground.
That's not gonna take her sweater off.
I told you what I want to do. He looks so fucking scared. I'm scared for
Let's
you.
hold first.
You tough now.
What's up?
You can be tough how you want to
This
be.
one?
Doesn't
Because
matter.
I'm gonna be right across the street. I got nothing but time.
Please.
Shut up, bitch. I can't wait to spit in all of y'all asses, one by one.
Yep, that's that for you.
Uh-huh. Do what you gotta do.
So now, she's good. Yeah. I got control. You got it? Okay. Yeah, all good.
You want
Hold this.
What, you want to kill me? You want to silence me? You're gonna punish me?
Yep. Got it.
I abuse your ego. Andre, you take the snake behind the doors. You little bitch. No, he's upset. He wants to do something. No, both of them do. I can see it in their eyes. They're eating. Look, I'm not even resisting. I'm just looking at you. I can fucking look at you.
You can look as much as you want.
Bitch. So why are you trying to, manhandling me? Is that what you do to your wife when she don't listen and she don't shut up, Becky? I'm gonna smack you again, you stupid bitch.
Hold on.
I'm not a Becky. Guess what? I'm gonna be your Becky and turn up on your ass. Oh, he's getting upset. Riley doesn't like me talking to his boyfriend like that. Oh my gosh, do they be punching you around? You're the little punching bag. You're the little yes man.
Oh, okay.
You're the yes man. That's what that is. You're the yes man. Because I'm not submissive. That's why I walk alone. I have no records. You look so oh my God, bro. Cover that name. I don't need a name. I got the face, bro. Oh shit, it's 6. Oh my gosh. Oh, very fun. Y'all really want to kill bitch. But I'm not giving you no reason to do it. No one wants to hurt you. No. One wants to hurt me with everybody knowing what the fuck is happening. No one's hurting you. There's too much, that's what's going on. Too many cameras, too much, you know?
Just breathe.
There's too much in the air.
Just breathe.
And I don't care no more. Because I'm taking out motherfuckers with me before I go. And say my piece.
It's fine right now.
I'm not shutting the f up. Put me in that south so you don't get me no more.
Hey, just breathe. Breathe.
Let me the f
So what we thinking? What we thinking? We see the scrubs. We see the scrubs. What we thinking? I'm thinking CNA. I'm thinking CNA. I may be wrong. We could go LPN. We could go LPN, but I'm thinking CNA. I'm thinking CNA. I don't know. Hey, it may be RN. Maybe nurse practitioner. maybe, but I think it's very those are small chances of that. I'm thinking more CNA. So I'm gonna go with CNA. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Cause I see the scrubs. You know how it is with the scrubs. So I'm thinking CNA. And that's my prediction. Okay.
Why are you still searching me?
Because we're not done.
Isn't it a woman that's supposed to search me?
It is a woman.
So why the f can't I speak my mind and a woman go search my behind in private doors? But where the f you're not staring? He's not staring. He's not staring. And I don't gotta keep repeating and telling you tell me shut up. Because if you didn't bring me to the station, you wouldn't hear me. I would have been up there turning up with the little boys over there that sell coke.
No one's staring. We just have to be here because you're acting loud.
Because I tried to go to a rehab today.
That's fine.
Because I tried to do all this shit because you guys already know this shit already. I'm just wasting my time.
When you're out of here.
No, we're not doing shit. There's no we in this bitch. This is I run this shit. What you talking about? Dumbass bitches. Okay. Ooh, I'm so violent now. I don't fucking care.
You're being fine.
I'm being fine now because I don't have the upper hand. I'm gonna let my forget.
That's okay.
You lift your foot on the back after all these years. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat. That's the way it is, huh? Yeah, that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Okay. Ever be the same. Because I treat everybody the fucking same. But guess what? Keep being fooled.
Pick this foot up.
Yep. I don't listen to you.
Everything's fine.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Gonna pay for what you did today. Right. Even if I gotta read what I saw and tell everybody that story in Logan. Whoa! Like,
hold on, we gotta clear hands up.
Come on, hold on. We gotta do what I'm like. It's all this power trip. Like, one person I have ADHD. You stop telling me what to do!
Okay.
I'm about to smack the shit out of y'all. I don't care what the case.
Where are the officers? There's 3 sergeants here. Like, are they that short-staffed or something? Where is all the officers?
Yeah, please. Sorry.
Stop wasting my time.
We're trying not to.
We're trying to just dictate and just we're trying to control me. No, put that bitch in check. Because I'm not fucking listening. You can kill me. Because guess what? I'll be your bitch for life, or just take that shit for one night and take it up with the Lord for the rest of them. Which one would you choose? You're trying to be the nice guy, but you're not understanding. I'm tired of talking. Okay. Can I go to a cell? Can you do the fingerprints? What are we waiting for?
We are waiting.
What the f are we waiting for?
Because you have blood on your hands.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Chill. You're bleeding.
Now everybody want to be so caring. They didn't care when they was fucking taking the shit out of y'all ass.
Yeah, we gotta just wipe down her handprints, alright?
No idea about taking me that. What you talking about? Get out of here with that bullshit. You're stalling.
Alright.
You want shit on your time.
To your thumb. Stop it.
You don't fucking take all that.
Stop.
It don't take 3 people. I have anxiety.
It does now.
PTSD, and I'm gonna let the court know and the judge
I got
know too.
anxiety and PTSD.
Disrespect the f out of him.
You stop moving?
No, because you could have been did this.
I'm trying.
What do you mean?
Okay. Everything's good.
Any medications?
Bitch, you gonna take some medication.
Alright.
Because you finna take my dick all up your ass. I'm f***ing in the ass now.
Have you been arrested?
You wanna act like a bitch, you gonna get f***ed like a bitch. Answer your own question. Look in the system. I don't hear you. I don't hear you f***ing suck my dick and maybe I'll answer you. How about you eat my ass? Just what I wanted you to do. Get the f*** away from me. Oh, no, he's not done. F***ing egos. Give motherfuckers power. Shit turns sour. Enough power. Say what the f*** I want to say.
Thank you for helping. Thank you for being cooperative. Get this over with and get you out of here, okay? Right. So, did you need to do any more research or no? No. Oh, God. Sorry, I gotta do that one more time.
Hey, here's our inhaler.
Here's your inhaler. Take a seat.
Thank you.
You want some water?
No thanks.
Alright.
Oh, she
The
calm now.
suspect was charged with resisting arrest, 3 counts of battery on an officer, disorderly conduct, violation of parole, and terroristic threatening. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like.
Ain't bad. I mean, towards the end there, she was actually pretty decent towards the end. She probably got tired of doing all that yelling and screaming and stuff like that. So, you know, whatever. Yeah, I think it was all right. I think the cops did a pretty good job. I give them a 4 out of 5. Yeah, I just want to know where all the officers is at. Cause goddamn, how's everybody just a sergeant? Where the hell? Damn, y'all police department that big? Everybody getting promoted? This all sergeants. You got all sergeants doing all the work, the fingerprinting, the this, the that. They just supposed to be directing traffic. Hey, you do this, you do this. Where the officers at? But anyways, yeah, she's a trip, man. I wonder how much time did she actually get? Because if she violated parole, I mean that whole parole system, you know, you got to do whatever your crime is, and then you getting that tacked on to your parole time too, so your parole time is getting pushed back, like that whole system there. But really, what she needs is not necessarily, in my opinion, what she needs is not necessarily jail, because jail doesn't really rehabilitate anybody, jail or prison or whatever the case may be. They say it's gonna rehabilitate. It don't rehabilitate shit. All right, it don't. It just make you a better criminal. But anyways, she needs like probably like a mental institution or something. She needs like some help, like some real deep help. You know what I'm saying? All she gonna learn in prison is, you know, I don't know, how to flip her commissary money for probably, you know, whatever she could get inside of there or whatever. But anyway, yeah, like I said, 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.